Yes, hey?
Hold on, eh?
Oh, he has nowhere to go.
No, he's done.
He's done.
The way they pull, just look at it, they're just ripping me apart. Eh? Dead and almost dead.
Scared.
Yeah, but it's still friendly. Yeah.
Oh.
Hurry up and die, you poor thing.
You see that? They ate him alive.
I know. Horrible. Oh, this one's given up.
That's it, it's almost dead now.
This one did the bulk of the running. It's tired. And it's letting the others have a go. That was the one that had hold of it.
Done.
No, it's still dying.
Sure.
Sorry, Warthog.
I must say that was impressive because that was a big warthog, guys.
I didn't think that.
Eh? Well, he made a mistake, didn't he, of running?
Yeah, it would have been better to stay, silly thing.
Sure.
Eh?
He made a mistake, hey.
This one's given up. It's alright though, isn't it? Cut, no.
Yeah. Yes, yeah, I know. You can't really get...
Tada.
Yeah,